Did you realize that almost 1/4 of fresh automobiles suffer major trouble prior to hitting 40,000 miles? Today, we identify 17 extremely fragile machines failing before the 40,000 miles mark. Covering mechanical flaws and massive garage bills, we explain why these specific rides represent danger for potential owners. You will be stunned by the crazy truth regarding the final entry. It is a model that most people never suspect. Section 1. The Luxury Failures. Number 1. Land Rover Range Rover. Landing the primary position for terrible dependability is the Land Rover Range Rover. Drivers often see motor breakdowns, air ride issues, and endless wiring glitches. A United Kingdom warranty report discovered the Range Rover remains among the least trustworthy options available, with typical shop invoices hitting almost $2,000 every single visit. Due to intricate gadgets and pricey upkeep, numerous people encounter giant mechanic statements long before seeing 40,000 miles. Number 2. Jaguar F-Pace. The second-place runner-up is the stylish Jaguar F-Pace. Although this high-end sport utility vehicle offers beautiful styling and athletic driving, its mechanical faults easily ruin its charm. Retailing near $55,000, the F-Pace has become famous for various technical struggles. People have cited problems including total wiring failures, gearbox glitches, and leaking motors. Based on a J.D. Power investigation, F-Pace reliability falls notably under the norm for its premium class. Furthermore, restoration expenses can balloon quickly because of expensive components and expert labor, turning your purchase into a heavy financial burden. Number 3. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Occupying the third place, we analyze the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Starting at approximately $40,000, this minivan has endured several recalls, mostly concerning the hybrid drive system. Mentions of wiring defects, battery faults, and possible fires have appeared, making many families doubt the car's overall safety. In a recent poll, a Consumer Reports investigation labeled the Pacifica as the least dependable choice, noting widespread flaws that cause expensive fixes. With Chrysler technicians often puzzled by how to mend hybrid technology, it is obvious the Pacifica Hybrid is a poor selection. Number 4. Infiniti QX50. For number 4, we highlight the Infiniti QX50. Sold for about $55,000, this QX50 shares many drive unit flaws seen in the Nissan Rogue. Drivers constantly mention troubles with the turbocharged 2.0-liter motor and its continuously variable transmission. Faults like motor stalling, transmission breakdowns, and wiring hiccups are quite frequent. According to J.D. Power, the QX50 scores poorly for durability when measured against its luxury competitors. Because of the brand's premium pricing for service, maintenance bills are often steep, making this QX50 a dangerous gamble. Despite the fancy looks, it fails to provide the consistent experience expected. Section 2. Unreliable engines. Number 5. Hyundai and Kia 2.0-liter models. These automobiles, including the trendy Hyundai Elantra and Kia Soul, feature sharp looks and good prices but endure terrible durability flaws. Throughout this decade, the Theta engine group has seen massive problems, including high oil burning, metal bearing collapses, and fires. Records from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration prove over 3 million units were recalled for these dangers. Many buyers see engine trauma well before hitting their 40,000 miles target, causing expensive work and time without a car. These brands are working to fix these problems, yet the current doubt makes these models risky choices for most buyers today. Number 6. Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe and Wrangler 4xe. At number 6, we find the Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe and Wrangler 4xe. Sold for nearly $55,000, these plug-in hybrids suggest trail fun, but include a big warning: quality issues. Both units have seen various recalls for vital flaws, like hybrid power cell failures and motor cutouts while moving. According to the NHTSA, these alerts have left owners angry and uncertain about repairing the damage. Also, people report weak hybrid performance in cold weather, plus battery leaks and clunky shifting. A Consumer Reports poll showed over 30% of Jeep buyers had electrical or drivetrain faults during their first year. Number 7. Volkswagen Taos. Coming in at 7th is the Volkswagen Taos. This small crossover is marketed as a cheap and cool choice, starting near $25,000. However, reports suggest that buyers must stay cautious of many durability flaws. The Taos uses a 1.5-liter turbo motor that has seen blame for performance hiccups, including fuel pump breakages and quitting. Over 20% of Taos buyers had major engine grief within 12 months. Furthermore, all-wheel drive models use a transmission known for braking, causing expensive repairs. Section 3. pickup and utility troubles. Number 8. GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado. In 8th place, we find the GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado, two very popular American pickups. Starting at roughly $36,000, these trucks get praised for strength and power. Yet both versions suffer from mechanical flaws that appear quite early during their use. Many drivers find faults with General Motors cylinder shutdown tech, built for saving fuel by killing half the motor's cylinders under easy loads. Instead, this hardware causes internal lifter failure, loud noises, and sudden engine death. Various big lawsuits were started over these motor glitches. Additionally, the Sierra and Silverado encounter common gearbox and wiring problems, which can cause shop bills reaching many thousands of dollars. With data showing motor skips and fuel part issues appearing before the 40,000 miles mark, these pickups are not the sturdy tools many buyers want. They often fail to meet the high expectations of truck enthusiasts. Number 9 is the Ford Bronco Sport. The Sport, costing near $34,000, uses a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine that has endured heavy mechanical trials. Ford has constantly recalled this motor for problems like cracked fuel sprayers, which creates fire danger. Additionally, owners mention overheating, turbocharger breakdowns, and loud motor sounds. Per the J.D. Power study, the Bronco Sport stays far under the norm for quality. Many people fight rough gear changes and drivetrain flaws, usually before hitting 40,000 miles. Before reaching number 10, please click that subscribe button and hit the like icon if you find this helpful. For number 10, we look at the Nissan Rogue. This Rogue utilizes a turbocharged 3-cylinder motor using new variable compression tech. While the technology sounds cool, it is very intricate, causing possible bearing cracks and loud banging noises. Per the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, probes into these motor faults hitting many thousands of cars built recently are currently active. Furthermore, the Rogue is famous for its continuously variable transmission, which many people say brakes too soon. Truly, a Consumer Reports poll showed that almost 15% of Rogue buyers had gearbox trouble in their first years, with transmission costs often topping $3,000. The Nissan Rogue might work for short leases, but it is a poor choice for long-term ownership for most drivers. Section 4. Modern Hybrid and Tech Risks. Number 11. Ford F-150 Hybrid. At number 11, we have the Ford F-150 Hybrid. This electric version of a legendary truck provides better mileage, but suffers from quality flaws. Priced at $47,000, drivers mention hybrid battery faults, motor stalling, and gearbox failure. This F-150 Hybrid has already seen 4 recalls during 2024, causing worry that it cannot match the standard truck's reliability. It is a risky option for hard work. Number 12. Volvo XC60. This Volvo is famous for safety and style, yet it still has clear durability problems. Costing about $53,000, it fights transmission glitches, motor stalling, and wiring errors, mostly in the screens and safety tech. This XC60 has endured 3 recalls in 2024, proving the car might fail to meet durability goals, frequently breaking down before the 40,000 miles mark. Number 13. Rivian R1T. Hitting the 13th place is the Rivian R1T. Drivers have mentioned computer errors, which break vital systems. Furthermore, there are suspension faults, creating a bumpy ride. Battery charging stops have also been common, usually caused by computer or mechanical defects. Being a fresh company, getting components and skilled mechanics is hard. In 2024, this R1T had 4 recalls involving airbags and pedals. These flaws create major doubts about its quality. Section 5. Common commuter risks. Number 14. Nissan Frontier. Sold for about $28,000, it has many flaws. Gearbox and drivetrain faults happen often. These glitches get worse during hard work, which annoys buyers. Engine heat and jerky shifting are common troubles for many people. During 2024, the Frontier had 3 recalls already. These alerts show the lack of durability. For buyers needing a truck, the Frontier fails. Number 15. Volkswagen Jetta. This Jetta costs around $21,000. It is a cheap ride, but defects remain. Owners mention many different problems. Motor stalling is a common issue which annoys many. High gas usage also bothers daily commuters. Worse, engine misfires, mostly in turbo versions, are frequent. Also, wiring errors have become a massive pain. These faults usually hit the starter system, causing the car to quit. Therefore, the Jetta saw 4 recalls in 2024. These targeted the worst electrical glitches. Despite the low price, reliability is a major worry for anyone keeping it long. Number 16. Mitsubishi Mirage. Sold for $18,000, this Mirage is among the weakest cars available, having a small 78 horsepower motor. Owners usually report slow driving, mostly on fast roads where the motor cannot keep pace. Also, the Mirage has seen complaints regarding build quality, with loud interiors, bumpy rides, and bad steering. It is a low-cost pick, but its durability is a big problem. At 17, we look at the Jeep Wrangler. This Wrangler fails at being reliable. Owners see engine death costing near $4,400 to fix. Wiring glitches are another common pain. Gearbox flaws like slipping gears are frequent and cost $2,000 or higher to repair. The Wrangler's scary front-end shake makes fast driving risky, with fixes costing $800 on average. While trail skills are great, upkeep flaws appear fast. So that concludes the list of 17 fragile vehicles which could fail before you reach the 40,000 miles mark. Although these models might entice shoppers with attractive styling or low stickers, their durability problems are major warnings. If you are searching for a fresh automobile, focus on quality to ensure long-term comfort. Now, I want to get your thoughts. Have you personally owned any of these problematic machines that did not survive 40,000 miles? We really want to read your comments. Until we meet again, please drive very carefully and always make smart purchases for your garage.